Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. I am Ira Jocelyn Tani. Today, I will demonstrate forearm passing in volleyball, also known as the bump. Forearm passing is one of the most essential skills in the game because it is used to receive the ball, especially during a serve or a strong attack. It is often the first contact that a team makes, so it plays a very important role in starting a successful play. Forearm passing is done by joining both arms together, keeping them straight, and using the forearm to guide in the ball. The player must have proper body position by bending the knees, keeping a stable stance, and focusing on the ball. Instead of swinging the arms, the player uses control movement in the legs to direct the ball accurately to a teammate, usually the setter. Requires good timing, balance, and control. A good forearm pass allows the team to stay organized and set up a strong attack. Without proper passing, it becomes difficult for the team to continue the play and score points. That is why forearm passing is considered the foundation of volleyball because it helps maintain control of the ball and connect the first contact to the next action of the team. Thank you and wassalam.
I just had to let you know you're